Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today wherever you are in this great world. We're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the one-day chart. We're sitting here at $2.57. If you zoom out to the 7-day, you could see how we're going sideways. This was that dip, and ever since then, we're coming back up in between $2.55 and $2.60. But again, people are calling for a very big week ahead for XRP. We are coming up on the end of the month. Remember, alt season was supposed to start in February. People are still saying that's going to happen. XRP price history prediction sees golden bull run in 5 days. One thing I want to point out is this right here. According to historical data from CryptoRank, XRP has a pretty interesting track record during these months. On average, the returns for March, April, and May stand at plus 19.9%, plus 26.6%, and 27.4%, respectively. That's not too bad, especially when you consider that the last time XRP saw negative results across all 3 months was way back in 2016, 9 years ago. So if we're going to follow that trend, the next 3 months are going to be very big for XRP. Let's hope that plays out perfectly. We're still following the 2017 run. Nothing has changed there. Everybody's now expecting XRP to lead us into alt season. I still think it's going to be Ethereum. People are now saying with the hack, that changes things. Every time you see something in the crypto space, that changes everything. Now this cycle is going to be different. The only thing different between this cycle and the 2021 cycle is that nothing is holding back XRP this time around. The next market crash will break our fragile brains. You know, at any moment, the market could turn around. It could go the opposite direction. We could have a major sell-off happen. Major crashes happen all the time in crypto. Happens in the stock market as well. People are predicting a huge crash in the stock market right now. But you prepare for that. It's just like this recent crash. I said, none of the people that watch my channel are going to sell this dip, because I prepared you for these dips along the way. And if you're new to crypto, you got to make it through the dips to get to the exciting times. And I've said that multiple times. But if you're going to sell or think about selling every time the market's red, you're not going to make it in this space. You know, even when XRP is skyrocketing in price, there's going to be pullbacks. And every time there's a pullback, people are going to say, now is when you want to sell. We're not going to go any higher. This run is over. You're going to hear that coming from people that have been in this space for a long time, because everybody wants that credit for calling the top. You got to look around and see what else is happening at the same time. For XRP, there's going to be a lot of big things going on all throughout 2025. Big announcements are going to happen. I think we're going to see utility at some point this year. You don't want to sell too soon. Ask GPT to predict XRP price. So GPT also thinks this is going to be a very big year for XRP. February, $2.50 to $3. That's where we're at right now. March, $3 to $3.80. April, $4 to $4.80, and so on. By December, they're saying ChatGPT says $30 plus. Now, how do we get to that $30 plus? Could it possibly be through ISO? I'm going to cover that a little bit more in another video. But if you look at the prediction here, it's gradual upward movement for XRP all throughout 2025. But remember, everybody's saying this run is going to be over by the beginning or end of May. Let's see what happens from here. Kraken Exchange says, not your keys, not your coins. Simple as that. That's coming from an exchange. This is why you don't store your crypto on the exchanges. I have an affiliate link down below for Decent Wallet. It's the only thing I promote on this channel is Decent Wallet because I like Decent and their support is incredible. I also like Ledger Wallet as well. But you got to get your crypto off the exchanges, especially after what we just witnessed with Bybit. And people aren't going to learn until it happens to them. Then all of a sudden they're going to be saying, what do I do now? I should have got my crypto off the exchange. This is when you do it, before something happens, not later. Massive statement. Franklin Templeton confirms altcoins will prevail. We trade meme coins as well. Take a listen.
Development, the interoperability, the ability to structure trades in all new ways that were impossible even just a year or two ago. So we believe very strongly that there is so much value to unlock in these protocols and in these new altcoins that are coming to market. And we believe that this is going to be, as people become more and more comfortable with it, with a good regulatory framework, this is going to be an opportunity on par with AI. So we really kind of see both sets of opportunities and are looking to really build across both areas.
Joseph, before we come to you, did you say altcoins? Does that mean meme coins?
Yes, well, we actually have published research, and we have a whole theory that meme coins actually reflect a new style of investing from younger investors that want to trade fast-moving, viral trends, and that there's a whole set of crowd factors that we've identified that help drive value around those meme coins. So yeah, we trade meme coins as well.
And that's why I said some meme coins, I think, will survive regulations. But I don't think there's going to be the rug pulls that you see now. But she is right. Altcoins are going to be the future. And we're going to see that transition happen in real time. It's already happening in real time. Everything is lining up perfectly for a new financial system. Franklin Templeton also said Bitcoin is the biggest distraction from the biggest disruption in this space. And I look at it the same way. Bitcoin is being manipulated and it's being used to attract new investors. That's where they want all the new retail money going, into Bitcoin. Why? So that some of these Bitcoin billionaires can sell off some of their Bitcoin. That's what that's all about. Because if they were going to sell right now, they would crash the entire Bitcoin market, the entire Bitcoin Ponzi scheme. Mapping XRP's price targets. Is now the right time to buy? Now is the right time to buy XRP because it is very undervalued. XRP is going so much higher from here, and we haven't even got institutional adoption yet. You're still early if you buy XRP right now. I see a lot of people saying, I think I'm going to wait until it goes back down under $1. I don't think that's ever happening again. Honestly, I don't ever see XRP going under $1. Something catastrophic would have to happen for XRP to go under $1 again. I still think we're never going to see under $2 again. Because if you look at the way the chart looks for XRP right now, it's holding up very well. Even when Bitcoin dips, XRP doesn't do a deep dip the way Bitcoin does. It seems to hold up a lot better. And this is David Schwartz reminding us once again, we are on the cusp of mass institutional adoption. Take a listen.
I feel like we really are on the cusp of a mass institutional adoption, both of DeFi and of other blockchain technologies. I think this is also like one of the key obstacles to mass retail adoption. A lot of people in the space previously thought that retail adoption was like the big wave, But I think institutional adoption is a precursor. You have to connect to where people are. You have to go to where the value is. You can't build a new financial system from zero, ignoring the existing financial system where everybody's money is, where all the value is, where the real world is, trillions of dollars in value. You can't just say, oh, forget about all that. Let's just build something new over here. That doesn't work. And so I think this wave of institutional adoption over the next year or two is going to be what's going to pave the way for mass retail adoption. And then we can deliver on those promises. Like, we all want to bank the unbanked, but the unbanked, they have to be able to spend their money to buy groceries and pay their phone bill. And so we have to have that institutional connectivity. And I don't think there are any obstacles. I think that's and I think this conference shows that.
And that's what I've been saying. Institutions are going to open up mass adoption because they're going to be the ones getting the grocery store to accept crypto. They're going to be the ones getting the gas station to accept crypto payments. And it's all going to come together, but it's still going to take a little bit of time. But once the institutional adoption starts, the price of XRP is going to change very quick. So if you're buying XRP now, you're still buying at a dirt cheap price because it's going to go so much higher than where it's at right now. And even if you look at the previous cycle, this is the run of 2017, 2018, all the way back here. And nothing was holding back XRP back then. It went from under a penny all the way up to above $3. Think about that. We didn't even have anything that's happening right now going on back then, and that happened. 2021 was a different story. We just got involved with the Ripple versus SEC case in December of 2020. 2021's run was not so great for XRP. It was off most of the major exchanges as well. Now we're back on the exchanges. XRP is not a security. The Ripple versus SEC case has nothing to do with XRP right now. It has to do with Ripple, Brad, and Chris. So if we're going to have a run-up like this happen here, we're going to go very high in price. Like I said, $20 to $30 conservative, 3 digits if you want a moon boy prediction. But it could very well play out that way. Nothing's stopping anything from happening in this run. And I stress that because a lot of people think that the Ripple versus SEC case has to come to a complete end for that to happen. And it doesn't. The ETFs are also going to go live during this run. That's going to be a game changer as well. Look at how the ETFs pushed Bitcoin to a new all-time high last year with all that hype. I think the ETFs for XRP are going to be a lot bigger. And I think a lot of the money that's in Bitcoin ETFs, that money's going to flow into XRP ETFs, pushing the price higher and higher. So when somebody says, I think in this run, XRP is going to go above $100, I don't doubt it because that could very well play out. There's so many good things that are going to happen for XRP in 2025 that you could almost see that price happening. But I still want to keep it a little bit conservative. But you got to make it through the dips to get to that. You can't think of selling every time there's a red day on XRP. And you can't store your crypto on the exchanges and stop interacting with the bots on this channel. I did a video and I mentioned that yesterday. And in that same video, I see people interacting with the bots once again. You will lose your crypto. That's what it comes down to. Stop talking to the bots. And until it all happens, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.